And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Sunday, and in this I'm going to be showing you how I use the frame of this project to get a full pump project out, and then using this to get my peep project out with ease. That's what I'm going to be doing in this frame. It's very easy. I will be showing you how you can navigate through this to this using a basic frame of my initial sketching. That is what I'll be showing you. Right, so come with me to see how to navigate, transform your full pump project to a peep project.
Very important.
Converting the full pump pattern to a peep toe, not pump but a peep toe. So what we just get to do is that I'll come in. This is the pattern. What I'll just do is I move in like this using the frame of this. I'll come here and position it. This is the same thing I used to generate this out. So I just come in and then open the tip. After I open the tip out, the next thing I do is to come here and just draw. So after I've been able to draw this is the line that needs to be opened up. So for me to dualize this pattern, I mean is that we need to make a path to indicate the portion. So dualizing this means that you're able to use this pattern for two
things.
So you can just come here to dualize this way. So what we will do now is that at every point we need to have a project. We need to draw a peep toe. So what we just come here to come in this way. Don't even do that. So because of this font, it's not part of it. Then the picture is out. Then we continue and mark this one to complement. That is just out. So if I want to do it, I can come in and cut this one out. Just take your time, pick your scissors, use it to cut it straight. You know, because me, I still have a long way to go in this craft, so I'll try to just give myself the handle. As you can see, it's quite easy making this, getting this, being able to transform. You being able to transform this from full pump to a peep tool. It's quite easy. Please, I like you to give us a thumbs up, share this, subscribe, and while you subscribe, hit on the notification bell for you to be notified when I release an awesome video like this again on my platform. There's a link in the description of this video. Like to use that link to connect with me one-on-one on my social media, and we look forward to have you in my subsequent upload.